Good evening. Before I begin this speech, I just wanted to say that if you are watching from the future, a few years from now, I hope that you'll appreciate this message I'm going to deliver for you. For all of you out there who's going through tough times in the near future. The future is uncertain. I must not make an assumption for it. Nonetheless, I wish that this message could at least make a difference for the existence of human civilization in a few hundred or thousands of years from now. Dear future generations, I speak for the rest of humanity right now, and I am sorry. I'm sorry that we left and gave you a damaged planet. Sorry that we ignored the warning signs and continued to do our actions that will result to a major effect in the future. I hope that you forgive us all. We didn't realize how valuable our planet is. The wrongdoings of humanity brings me great sorrow because most of us in the present time does not care about tomorrow. I am sorry that we prioritize ourselves before our Mother Earth. It proved that the biggest of all sins is pride. Pride and greed have poisoned our minds and heart. It blinded us on how we see the world. The advancement of modern technology led us to a roller coaster ride of convenience and disadvantages. Power and technology caused the two great wars that left a huge scar in the minds of the people and the earth. I'm sorry that we destroyed the land and poisoned the oceans for the sake of preserving the power and territory of nations in conflict. I'm sorry about our terrible mindset. We have the audacity to call this destruction as progress. A lot of our people don't believe in our planet's rapid deterioration and to think that the phrase global warming is a hoax makes me disappointed. The negative effects of global warming is gradually